Welcome back to another edition of Just Try It DIY. Today we're going to replace this switch right here. It goes to the outdoor light and it's not always making a good connection, so we're going to go ahead and get it replaced. We're going to switch out a switch. Let's get started. Just a little thing to tell everybody, we are going to be messing with electricity today, so this can be a little bit of a dangerous situation. So if you're not comfortable with messing with electricity, please don't attempt this on your own. But this is a simple project that someone can at home do it yourself. Just simply make sure that your power is shut off before you get into this. Thanks. As we get started, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and make sure that the power is off. The easiest way to do that is switch was on, light was on, we went down, checked the breakers, switched out the breaker, and of course the light is out now, so it's out. We're going to replace or take out all these screws that go around the outside of the faceplate, and then we can see under the inside. Start by taking out the screws on the top of this that go to that switch that we want to change out that's been an issue. A lot of times as people are painting, they go ahead and they take the switch plates off and they do paint, and they paint over the tops of the switches on the outside edges. If you're not careful, when you go to take one out, you can pull it off and you can break loose all this paint and it'll maybe come outside the switch plate. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and take a knife and we're just going to go around the outside edge. You can see we got the switch right there. One wire here is bent up a little bit, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and flatten this out a little bit so it's a little easier to get in there and a little cleaner job. So here we are a little more closer up. Here's the wire that came in, power coming into it. I'm going to pull that wire in there. Tighten that down. Try and push these wires back in as we go. It'll work its way back in there. The new screws go right back into the old holes that were there. Go ahead and put the plate back on, make sure everything still lines up with the old holes. Look at there. Thing lines up just fine. We'll go ahead and give it a test here real quick before we secure everything in. We'll be ready to go.
So that'll be the end of this video. So well, he's going to screw on the plate and you're going to go hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, do all that fun stuff. And thanks for watching.
See you next time.
Okay, so we're going to be replacing a switch today. I wasn't paying attention to when he introduced it, so I don't really remember what I'm supposed to say, but we're going to be switching a switch. I'm Michael Ross.